Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Soundararaj. I'm very happy to interact with you all through this video. In this video, I'm going to detail a concept titled Components of Online Marketing. If you want to learn about the meaning and the differences between traditional marketing and online marketing, watch my other video. Link for that video is given as per the description. Kindly click the playlist titled Online Marketing and watch the other video as well. These are all a couple of details related to my career. After you watch the full video, if you find the video beneficial to you, give a like to the video and do subscribe my channel so that you will get the notifications of my future videos. Components of online marketing. Regarding the components of online marketing, there are various components which are used in online marketing to make online marketing very effective. In that, the first component is market research. Business organizations need to have strong market understanding to set clear objectives. If a business enterprise or a marketer has got a clear understanding of the target market for its market offering, it will be enabled to set a clear-cut objectives, marketing objectives as well as general objectives for the business enterprise. To research the marketers can review their website traffic. Number 2, they can review the ad conversion rates. Number 3, review the queries asked by the existing customers. Number 4, identify the customers' pain points that they post on various platforms such as Yahoo Answers, blogs, social media and other sites. The next aspect to be discussed here with regard to market research is anticipate and compile a list of frequently asked questions with their clear answers and align them to customers' pain points. And the last point to be discussed with regard to market research is include the fact sheet about products if that are required. So these are all the aspects to be carried out with regard to market research. The second component of online marketing is keyword research. Choosing a correct and relevant set of keywords can help design a crisp and persuasive advertisement for online marketing. Before accessing any keyword research tool as a marketer, you ask yourself, what is the purpose of this web page? And number 2, how clearly can I state the conversion event? Number 3, have I clearly answered all the pain points that users might look for on this page? And the next one is about which phrases the users might enter while looking for a solution. And the last one in relation to keyword research, you as a marketer should ask is, are my keywords relevant to the user's intent? If you find proper answers for all of these questions which I have listed down, I am sure you will be enabled to have a proper keyword research, which is one of the components of online marketing. And the next one is about SEO friendly website, search engine optimization friendly website. Mapping the right keywords around the user's pain points in a hierarchical manner makes an effective website. You need to categorize the keywords in a thematic order and then link the respective articles to the keywords. This makes the website very easy to maintain by your organization. And the next component here is web analytics. The ultimate goal of web analytics is to identify actionable insights on monthly basis. Normally it is done for once in 28 days by social forums like YouTube, which can help to make favorable changes to the website gradually. I would say this in turn ultimately leads you to strong profits in the long term. Online advertising is the next component. It is placing crisp, simple and tempting ads on the websites to attract the viewer's attention and developing viewers' interest in the product or service. And the next one is about mobile advertising. It is creating awareness about the business and promoting it on smartphones that people carry with them inseparably. Obviously, through the social networks like WhatsApp, Instagram, you can communicate quite a lot about your market offers with the target consuming public. It will have very effective reach to the target consumers through the social forums. And the next one is about social media marketing. It assures that you remain connected to the existing or potential customers. Build awareness about the products and services. Create interest in and desire to buy your product. And interact with the customers on their own terms and convenience. It also includes creating profiles of your brand on social media platforms such as Google+, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, etc. The next one is about email marketing. You can, as a marketer, interact with the customers to answer their queries using automatic responders and enhance the customer experience with the website. You can also offer the options such as signing in to subscribe to your newsletter. You can make the emails very catchy and script so that the emails don't make the recipients annoyed. Also, you can use selected best words in the subject line to boost the open rate. The next one is about content marketing. It includes creation and sharing of media and publishing the content in order to acquire and retain customers. The next one is about blogs. Blogs are web pages created by individuals or group of individuals like organizations. They are also updated on regular basis. You as a marketer can write blogs for the promotion of your market offers. Banners. Banners are long strips of cloth with a slogan or design. They are carried for demonstration, procession, or hung in a public place. There are internet banners as well in parallel to tangible banners for advertising. Internet forums. They are nothing but message boards of online discussion websites where people post their messages, post their ideas, reviews, opinions, and engage into conversation. These are all the components a marketer could make use for effective online marketing. I hope I have done my explanation up to your level of satisfaction. Thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you in other video. Bye for now, everyone.